Is your Toshiba Fire TV Remote malfunctioning? Here's how to unpair or factory reset your Fire TV Remote to its default settings and repair it to your TV to fix any issues. Resetting your Fire TV Remote is a bit different than usual. First of all, what you gotta do is totally unplug your TV from power. And with the TV turned off, grab your Fire TV Remote and get ready to perform a reset. What you need to do is hold down 3 buttons together. These are the left, the back and the menu buttons. And keep holding them down for 12 seconds. You won't see any indicator or lights, so just count till 12, then let go. And now you'll need to take out the batteries. After that, wait another 60 seconds. Now with the batteries outside, plug your TV back in and turn it on using the power button of your TV. Let your TV turn on and wait until it shows "We cannot detect your remote." Now you can put the batteries back into the remote, and while pointing your remote at the TV, hold down the home button for about 10 seconds. In most cases, it will pair itself almost instantly. So now your remote is repaired to your Toshiba Fire TV, so that you can start using it without any issues. And that's all there is to it. Hope you found this useful. Stay tuned for more.